Yesterday, the gold has created a strong bearish candle after reaching again very close to the area of resistance, 3350.58. The price has returned back down, creating a strong bearish candle that has also bearish engulfing candle encompassing previous two candles, which are bullish ones, and then the price has closed below this area of small support level, which is indication of the strong bearish momentum that has been started here around this supply zone. Yesterday I have mentioned that I am expecting that the price will try to move further down because of this strong bearish engulfing candle that has been created on the daily time frame, and it is also a bearish breakout below this area of support, now acting as a resistance. We can see that for the 3 days the price has turned back down. This is something that I have shared inside the premium analysis with the traders, where the entry level was around this area here and the exit was right here, and you can see it has been reached at the take profit level. If you would like to receive these updates when the breakout happens, and also when there is some kind of a bullish pin bar, bearish pin bar, or an engulfing candle, feel free to check the link below in the description and join other traders to receive these updates. Let's see yesterday how the price has behaved. Let me see it here. Yesterday we can see that the price has created also a bullish pin bar. Yesterday we can see that here, which I have also mentioned with the traders, where the entry level was here and the exit was here. Because of this bullish pin bar, the price was targeting higher price levels, and we can see that after the price has created this bullish pin bar, I have sent information what is the entry level, what is the stop loss, and what is the take profit level. This was also a profitable trade yesterday inside the premium analysis. We can see that the price, after reaching an area of this area of resistance, we can see that very close to 3350.58, this was here, the price has continued to lose its value for several hours, and the price has dropped in several steps. We can see that in the afternoon yesterday, the price formed a strong bearish candles, two of them, where the price has gone through several of these support levels and reached 3295.24. After the bounce from this area of support with this bullish pin bar, the price has reached 3305.89, but could not make a bullish breakout above this area of resistance, and we can see the price has continued to lose its value. The price is formed against strong bearish candle going through this area of support, which yesterday has held the price from reaching further down. We can see the candle could not close below this area of support, which means the sellers have exited their trades from here. That has pushed the price from the area here, from the area of resistance. They have exited their trades here, and also this has as a reaction, the price has retraced back up. This reaction and also this retrace was not too strong, because we can see immediately on the next 1 hour time frame resistance level, the price has returned back down, forming again a strong bearish candle. It was also a bearish breakout. Now what we can expect today, what we can see on the daily time frame, and also what I can see, the price has closed yesterday candle here, where the next support is here, 3272.61. So this is the target for today, what I can see currently, and I'm expecting that the price will reach this area of support, and then we'll see what happens. Will the price manage to go further down, going also like in this example all the way to 3257 and also 3255? We can see this is an area, or here 3245. This is something that we will closely watch on the lower time frame, because on the lower time frame we can see what are the levels below the area of support 3272. We can see that the next support level is 3243.99, which is 3244 as a round number. So this is also the target that the price could reach. Now we can see when the price was reaching this area of support, there was a wick that the price has tried to move further down. The attempt from the bears that they have pushed the price all the way to this area of support, they have tried to push the price even further down, reaching this area of support, but unsuccessfully. The buyers are still strong around this area of support. They are preventing the price from reaching lower levels. Now this is the same scenario that I'm currently expecting, especially here 3272.61. This is something that I'm expecting. This is the candle on the 4 hour time frame, which is currently making a bearish breakout. So if I can see that this candle will close below this area of support and closes on the 4-hour time frame like this, this will be also indication of the further decline in value. But this is 4-hour time frame. We have also 1-hour time frame, which is faster than its 4-hour time frame. So we can see this breakout. If it happens, it will be much faster. We can see that on the 1-hour time frame, 3295.24 is already created a bearish breakout below this area of support. Remember that this is a dotted line with larger dots, with large lines. It is a 4-hour time frame support level. This means that on the 1-hour time frame, the 4-hour time frame support level is already broken. So on the 1-hour time frame, if the price closes the next candle, which is this one here, below this area of support, currently acting as a resistance, this will be just a confirmation of this bearish breakout as a valid one, which will be a first step already for me as indication of the further decline down in value for the price, especially on the 4-hour time frame. If it confirms after the price closes this area off, after the price closes this candle below this area, this will be a confirmation of the bearish breakout, indicating further decline in value. On the 4-hour time frame, if it stays here and also the candle closes below this area of support, for example, if this candle closes here and it is a bearish candle going through this area of support, this will be also a bearish breakout on the 4-hour time frame. So this means that we will have on the 4-hour time frame bearish breakout. We already have on the 1-hour time frame bearish breakout below this area of support. And after that, it will be a continuation of this strong bearish momentum from the yesterday, which means the price will reach this area 3272.61. So currently I am inclined to see, and also I'm waiting for the price to reach this area of support, and from there then we'll see where the price go. We'll follow the market and react accordingly. So just a minute. If we see the price on the 1-hour time frame, if the price goes below 3285.87, this means if the price closes very close to this area of support or below, this will be again a bearish breakout below this area of support on the 1-hour time frame. This will be just another confirmation of the bearish momentum, which means the price will further go down. But if the price goes below 3285.87, and that will be here at 3285.87, this means the candle will close right here. This will be precisely a bearish breakout on the 4-hour time frame. This will be another signal that the price is targeting lower. So we will have on the 1-hour time frame bearish breakout, 2 of them formed. We will have on the 4-hour time frame bearish breakout formed, and it will be just indication of the further decline what we can see currently on the daily time frame, because the daily candle has closed right here the day, which means below this area of support, which has held the price from reaching high price levels, and it is slightly above this area of support, which means there is still room for the price to go further down. So this will be also very hard for the price to close but at the daily time frame. So this means the price can go during the day all the way down here to the support level, and then it can retrace back up, closing just around this area of support or slightly above. If it closes like that, this means that there is a potential that the price will reverse back up because of the strong buying pressure right here. But if the price goes on the daily time frame, like in this example, all the way down, closes very close to the area of support, this will be a very strong bearish momentum, which could also push the price even further down. This is something that we cannot make conclusion right now, because we can see that after the price reaches this area of support, the price could retrace back up. But this also could be a potentially bearish breakout, especially if the price goes even further down and close the daily time frame below this area of support. This will be also information that this strong bearish momentum has closed below this area of the demand zone where the buyers are waiting, which means the sellers are much stronger than the buyers are here during the day, and the day has closed below. This means the fight between the buyers and sellers has been on the side of the sellers, who will try to push the price even further down. How far the price could go, this will be the first support level. We can see this here. This is the area where this confluence of support and the resistance level is on the daily time frame. The second one is right here, where we have open and close of the prices. So this is the area where the price could reach. So from here, which is around 3249 or 3250, down to 3236. So this is an area where the price could go. But let's see. Let's see after the price reaches 3272.61 where it will go after that, and stay closely connected to this area of support, which will be probably broken to the downside. And remember, if you would like to receive updates when there is a potential signal with the entry level, with the stop loss level and the take profit level, join the premium analysis. Inside I share these details with the traders. That's all for today. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.